This is the 99 F-350 7.3 diesel with manual 6-speed. Paint is pretty bad. Did the 06 front end and the 06 lights. Interior is not in bad shape. No rips or anything. Comes with the CTS3 tuner, the Sony Apple Play, CarPlay, and the brake controller. Body's pretty much straightforward, just paint, clear coat, pretty bad. Just got done changing out the ignition switch. The tires are 100%, I would say. So all 6 are brand new. 100-gallon fuel tank. Back here. Like I said, the body's in pretty good shape. Just the paint is crap. As you can hear, that's the FASS fuel system. Starting up there. Let's see. Forgot to plug this back in. Let's see. So got all those. Start her up. She's dirty. I haven't cleaned it. It's been sitting for a while. Has the Hydra tuner. I have to put the bottom back on. Like I said, I was changing the today, the steering column, or ignition switch, not the steering column. Let's pop the hood. You could change all these settings. You change the ICP, RPMs, the battery voltage, temperature, VLT. Got all LED lights. Some super bright daytime headlights too. So got the Mishimoto coolant bottle with the Riffraff coolant filtration, big filter. Let's see what else. New high pressure oil pump, Riffraff RFX for fuel. There's so much crap. We got a new power steering box. Or steering box, whatever. Water pump is new, thermostat is new. It sounds healthy. Very healthy truck. throttle a little bit. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Good morning, babies. Good morning.